Pattaya, Thailand. A city pulsating with life, a tapestry of cultures, and a haven for retirees seeking a vibrant and affordable lifestyle. The allure: sun-kissed beaches, shimmering temples, and warm Thai hospitality. Pattaya extends a welcoming hand to those ready to embrace its unique charm. Retirees are drawn to its tropical climate, escaping the dreary winters of their homelands. The cost of living, a fraction of Western expenses, allows them to live comfortably, even luxuriously. But beyond the practicalities, it's the spirit of Pattaya that truly captivates. Dawn breaks, painting the sky in hues of pink and orange. Retirees begin their day with invigorating walks along Pattaya beach, the gentle sea breeze whispering tales of the east. Others head to the numerous parks, practicing Tai Chi amidst lush greenery. Coffee shops buzz with life as friends gather, sharing stories over steaming cups of traditional Thai coffee. The day unfolds at a leisurely pace, a stark contrast to the frantic rush of Western life. Afternoons are for exploring. Some venture into bustling markets, a sensory overload of sights, sounds, and aromas. Fresh produce, exotic spices, and handmade crafts beckon, offering a glimpse into the heart of Thai culture. Others seek solace in the tranquility of ancient temples, marveling at intricate carvings and gilded statues. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows, Pattaya awakens to a vibrant nightlife. Pattaya's markets are a feast for the senses. The air hangs heavy with the aroma of street food, a symphony of sizzling woks and fragrant spices. Noodles dance in steaming broths, while skewers of grilled meats tempt passers-by. The bustling energy is infectious, a dance of vendors hawking their wares and locals bargaining for the best prices. Beyond the culinary delights, the markets offer a glimpse into the soul of Thailand. Temples, serene and spiritual, provide a sanctuary from the city's buzz. Wat Yansangwararam, a sprawling complex, showcases intricate Buddhist art and architecture. The Sanctuary of Truth, a towering wooden temple, leaves visitors awestruck with its intricate carvings depicting scenes from Buddhist mythology. These sacred spaces offer a glimpse into Thailand's rich spiritual heritage, inviting reflection and contemplation. Pattaya is more than just a retirement destination. It's a gateway to Southeast Asia. From here, retirees can embark on adventures to neighboring countries, exploring ancient ruins in Cambodia, navigating the Mekong Delta in Vietnam, or trekking through the jungles of Laos. Pattaya's well-connected transportation network makes it easy to explore the region, with affordable flights and comfortable buses readily available. Whether it's a weekend getaway or an extended backpacking trip, the possibilities for adventure are endless.